Minor key songs often evoke a sense of sadness or melancholy because of the way our brains perceive and interpret the musical patterns. Here are a few reasons why minor note songs can evoke feelings of sadness. Tonality and pitch. The tonality of a song refers to the overall sound and mood created by the arrangement of notes. Minor keys typically have a darker and more somber tonality compared to major keys, which are often associated with a brighter and happier sound. The use of minor chords and intervals in minor key songs can create a sense of tension and emotional depth, contributing to the feeling of sadness. Cultural conditioning. In many Western musical traditions, major keys are often associated with happiness, while minor keys are linked to sadness. This cultural conditioning influences our emotional responses to different musical modes and contributes to the common association of minor key songs with melancholy. Emotional expression. Music is a powerful medium for emotional expression. Composers and musicians often use minor keys intentionally to convey specific emotions, including sadness, grief, longing, or introspection. The choice of minor keys allows for a more nuanced and complex emotional palette, enabling the evocation of deep and poignant feelings. Association with personal experiences. People's individual experiences and memories can also contribute to the emotional response to minor key songs. If someone has had past experiences linked to sadness or loss, hearing a minor key song may trigger those emotions or serve as a reminder of similar experiences. Harmonic and melodic characteristics. Minor keys often involve certain harmonic and melodic progressions that contribute to the overall emotional impact. For example, the descending melodic patterns in minor keys can evoke a sense of sadness or longing. Similarly, the use of dissonance or unresolved chords in minor key progressions can create a sense of tension and evoke melancholic feelings. It's important to note that while minor key songs often elicit sadness, the emotional response to music can be highly subjective and vary from person to person. The same minor key song may evoke different emotions in different individuals based on their personal experiences, cultural background, and emotional state.